Okay guys, so I'm going to quickly review all of them so you're ready for your test, okay? So adding integers with the same sign. So if I have 3 plus 5, you should know that's 8, right? Now if I have a negative 3 plus a negative 5, the answer should be negative 8. Now remember we said bananas and bananas give me bananas, apples and apples give me apples. So basically what you do when you add integers, you use the absolute value, which is 3 and 5, add them together and keep the common sign, which is a positive. At absolute value of 3, that's a negative 3 is a 3. Absolute value of negative 5 is a 5. 5 plus 3 gives me 8. And because they have a common sign of a negative, then my answer should be a negative. Okay? Now, when they have a different sign, so if I have 3 plus a negative 5, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the absolute value. So 5 and 3. I'm going to subtract those two, which is a 2. And I'm going to say, do I have more negatives or do I have more positives? I have more negatives, so therefore the answer should be a negative. Okay? If I have negative 10 plus 8, okay? Again, different signs, absolute values, subtraction of absolute values. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now, do I have more negatives or more positives? I have more negatives, so therefore the answer is a negative, okay? Let me just do one more with you. So, for instance, if I have 7 plus negative 3. 7 minus 3 gives me 4, and because I have more positives, the answer is going to be a positive, okay? Here we go. Subtracting integers, okay? So, for instance, if I have 2 minus 9, well, I can rewrite that as an addition of its opposite. So, I can do 2 plus the opposite of a 9 is a negative 9. Again, I'm going to go back to this. Different signs. I subtract absolute values. So, 9 minus 2 is 7. And because I have more negatives, then that's what it is, okay? Another way to think about this, you guys, is imagine you have $2, right? And you borrow $9 from your mom. Of course, those $2 are going to go for what you borrowed. So that means that you're going to still owe her $7. Okay, that's the way that you can think about it financially. Okay, let me do another one for you. So if I have negative 3 minus a negative 4. Okay, so I can rewrite this as an addition of its opposite. So then I can rewrite negative 3 plus, what's the opposite of a negative 4? Just 4. Addition, different signs, subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. And because I have more positives, the answer should just be 1. The other way that we can do that I told you guys is that you just connect those two. And you basically end up with that. Okay? Applying addition and subtraction. So we're going to apply this into real life situations. Okay? So imagine that you have $10. Now, when you have $10, it's going to give me a positive. Okay? So you have $10. And then you bought something that was $8. Buying is going to be a takeaway. You're taking away $8, right? Because that's money that you spent, okay? And then your dad gave you $15. Now, they give you $15, therefore that's going to be a positive, right? You're adding to your account. So then I'm going to take this 2, right? So 10 minus 8 is 2 plus 15. You're going to end up with $17, okay? So make sure that you guys are just listening to what they're giving you in the problem and apply what you know about adding and subtracting of integers. God bless you.